Welcome one and all to QuickSilver Sound Architects. I am Barry and I will be your guide today with this magnificent and fetching DB12 that sits proudly on the ramp in absolutely pings. Two of the guys here are just fitting our sound architect system to the back. This is a Titan Sport, so it uses a combination of precious metals and has valves which can be controlled by you. They have taken off this very basically massive, huge rear section that comes from the factory that really muffles the sound of this car. This is obviously the Volante, so you're going to hear a lot more of the exhaust with the roof down, but this rear section is a nice upgrade. It's what these cars really should have had from stock. They don't. So if you are an owner or thinking of becoming one and you find that the factory exhaust sound is too muted for your taste, this is where you come. QuickSilverExhaust.com. Give us a call, give us an email. We can fit you up. We don't really do fittings here. This is just for development purposes, but we do have an array of dealers worldwide that can. And you can order yourself direct and just basically buy online. So we'll hear what this sounds like when the guys have done their very valuable job, and we'll catch it then. Let's take it for a spin.
It's a Grand Tourer. It's supposed to be sophisticated and fast.
We'll find that out. Oh, yeah. Up the road and do a flyby and see what it sounds like on the outside. Lovely jubbly. If you want a sound system that is as loud as this crazy paint job, which is stock from Aston Martin and growing on me, actually I love it. I think it's wicked, it's amazing. Goes with the sunglasses, I think. Get in contact with us at QuickSilverExhaust.com. We have over 500 systems on the website for supercars, hypercars, all sorts of luxury SUVs with a name for it. And we're based in the UK and we can supply and send systems to your door or to, oh that's nice. that, Lotus Evora? I don't know, very cool, sounded great. Probably had a QuickSilver on it, who knows? See you in the next one. Properly run over.
Oh, I ran it. Oh, did I ran it over or no? What? Or it's come off the back of ours and then someone's. That's fine. That was fine.
Still recording.